Hi everyone, this is JD of Gadget Rev. Another awesome mid-range battle today. Honor 600 versus Galaxy A57. If you want to know what the case of my Honor 600 is, this is Xundi XUNDD. We got dual camera system on the Honor phone, same as Honor 400, and we have triple camera setup on Galaxy A57 with that 5 megapixel macro sensor. Good thing here is we also have macro capability on Honor 600. We also have AI image to video on the latest Honor phone. In terms of price point, both phones will probably be on the same price point, so it's really interesting to know which phone would you choose if you're really big on cameras. Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown of their cameras. Another mid-range battle between Honor 600 and Galaxy A57. This is the selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS on both phones. In terms of video quality, we got a brighter Honor 600 compared to Galaxy A57 on the selfie. But in terms of details, they both have 4K 30 FPS on the selfie video. I think that's it for the quick selfie and audio test. Let the battle begin. On daylight, starting with the Ultra, we got wider field of view on the Galaxy phone compared to the Honor. Also, we have brighter and better exposed images, while we got a more colorful and heavier contrast on Honor 600. Also, the images are a bit over-sharpened. On the main sensor test, both of these phones are really good. The colors are almost the same, just warmer on the Honor phone. Again, we got a brighter colors and popping out a bit more on Galaxy A57, and heavier contrast on Honor 600. We have more details on the Galaxy phone. On 2x crop, you would notice a difference in the white balance. We got warmer looking and brighter on Honor 600. We also have more details on the Honor phone. A bit noisy on Galaxy A57. And going for the 4D zoom, we got 30x on Honor 600. Both can shoot macro because we have a dedicated macro sensor on A57. But there's more details on the Honor phone. Both phones have slow motion in full HD, but I guess I wanted to highlight the AI feature of Honor 600. We got image to video that can turn your still image into a 5-second video clip. It's so nice to use this on your old photos. On portrait mode, starting with the widest, we got warmer looking and brighter Honor 600. The subject is also more beautified than Galaxy A57. We got natural looking and toned down look on the Galaxy phone. This is a matter of personal taste. On portrait zoom, looking at the background, we got a creamier background blur on A57. We can adjust this on Honor 600. You would also notice you got brighter skin complexion and smoother compared to the Galaxy phone. In terms of focal lengths, we only have 2 focal lengths on Galaxy A57 and 3 on Honor 600. We got that 35mm in the middle. And on the selfie, there's not much of a background blur on the Honor phone, but you would notice you got a sharper image compared to Galaxy A57. Again, the Galaxy phone has natural looking tone. This is Honor 600 versus Galaxy A57. Ultra wide and 4K 30 FPS. Look at the exposure, the colors. And this is the human in frame. Let's switch to the main sensor. Now this is the main sensor test. Again, 4K 30 FPS. Look at the colors. And my wife in frame. Look at the exposure. Warmer on Honor 600 and natural looking on Galaxy A57. We also have 2x lossless crop on both phones. You got stronger contrast on Galaxy A57. And going for the zoom, we got 10x on Honor 600 and also 10x on Galaxy A57. Great details on night shot for the selfie of both phones. We got brighter looking Galaxy A57, and I like the contrast and colors on the Honor 600. On the Ultra, but I just don't like the colors on Galaxy A57. I feel like it's a bit soft compared to the Honor phone. You got good colors and details on Honor 600.
Wannabes wanna be us, no lie. 4K getting angles, grip my waist with the bass going bang, bang, bang. Taking me.
On the main sensor test, I like the contrast and colors on the Honor phone. You got better exposed and natural looking Galaxy mid-range. On a more challenging situation on Galaxy, we would see more details on the shadows on the pool compared to the Honor phone.
Just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer. Boom, boom, make it real loud, loud.
Lastly, on night shot on 2x crop, again just a more solid looking Honor 600. Galaxy A57 is brighter if that's what you like. It brightens up the background so you would see more in the frame. Again, matter of personal taste.
Yeah, popping champagne, it's all on the ceiling. You know the feeling, yeah. Chauffeurs what I prefer. You know the game.
Now going for low light video test, starting with the selfie video recording, 4K 30 FPS on both phones. So we got really sharp Honor 600 and Galaxy A57 on the selfie. But if you go on challenging situations, like a bit darker, I much prefer the video coming out of Galaxy A57 compared to Honor 600. Now going for the rear camera test, you would see that you got better contrast and sharpness and colors on Galaxy A57. Look at the building and also the pool. Closer in reality for, I think, Honor 600. It's a bit blue-green in real life. Going to the main sensor test. So look at the street. Both phones are really sharp on the main sensor. We might have a brighter Honor 600 on the main sensor test. And going for 2x crop. This is 2x. I think you got a sharper Galaxy A57. Look at the exposure. And going for the 4D zoom, we got 10x on Honor 600 and also 10x on Galaxy A57. That's a really good camera battle between Honor 600 and Galaxy A57. Let's break down their camera, starting with Honor 600. We got wider selfie video in 4K with good audio performance, better zoom on daylight, and also has more details on macro, more beautified portrait shots that some people might prefer, generally warmer and brighter video but a bit noisier on challenging situations, and better night shot performance on the ultra-wide images. While on the latest Samsung Galaxy A57, we got a more punched-in selfie video recording in 4K but also has good microphone. We got brighter and natural looking colors on daylight images. Portrait images are natural looking and toned down. Wider field of view on the ultra-wide video. Better low light performance on the selfie and the main sensor for both images and videos. To sum up, I think Honor 600 is a solid mid-range phone for cameras. It has 4K video recording across all the sensors. We also have image-to-video AI that some people might find useful, and also the AI button here that looks similar to iPhone. Again, if you want a phone that's closer looking to an iPhone, then go with Honor 600. But in terms of general performance on video, I would stick with Galaxy A57. I feel like the video quality on the Galaxy phone is better compared to Honor 600. Natural looking and toned down if that's what you prefer. I think that's it for a camera comparison video. Which phone do you like in terms of camera performance? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.